Okay, here's a video. This is a 2019 Honda Odyssey. This is the Elite, but 3.5 liter V6 oil change video. Here's a few things you're going to need. First, a 17 millimeter socket or wrench to take the oil drain plug out. You're going to need some kind of oil filter wrench. Here's a few different wrenches. I'm going to use the cap style or just the like a channel lock to loosen up the filter. A lot of times they're just hand tight on there. Also, you're going to need an oil filter. This is just an original Honda one you're going to need. The crush washer for the drain bolt, oil catch can, and then it takes 5.5 quarts of 0W30, 0W20. I've got one full one, and this one has about a half a quart left. So you need 5.5 quarts. So first what you want to do, you want to get the vehicle up on lift, ramps, jack it up, put it on jack stands, whatever you want to do. This is what I do. I just put it on jack stands and it makes it easy. So once you get that, first step's just draining the oil, and we take the 17 millimeter socket to do that. The car here, I just want to show you where the oil drain bolt is. There's a pan close to the passenger side. It says on it engine oil, and it points to a bolt. So you just want to get your wrench right on that, and you'll drain out the oil. If you break that free with your wrench, you just back it out. Remember, this has, see this little crush washer? Okay, that's going to be replaced. It's not meant to be reused. You want to make sure you replace that little washer on the oil drain bolt. I like to get it out to where it's about to come off.
Okay, once you've gotten the oil drained and the oil filter changed out, the oil filter is just under right by the passenger wheel. You just spin that off, put a new one on. Okay, here's the oil fill. This is just under the hood. Oil fill cap. 0W20 oil. So just take that off, put your funnel in there, refill your 5.5 quarts. You're all done.